Revive the timer to secure redeployment. Earn points to speed up the countdown. Enemies are dropping into the area. Guys.
What is this robot doing, bro?
Marks remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Inserting additional armor. Not done yet.
Bro, it's so bad. It's almost killing me too.
Inserting additional armor.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your
Inserting
tag
additional
map.
armor.
Get hunting.
Like, it's just crazy, bro. Look at this guy.
Inserting additional armor. Changing mag.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Hostile armor broken. Here we go.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tag map to hunt down the rest of them.
Inserting additional armor. Switching mags.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Reloading.
Can this guy on the roof die, please? So I can get my fin.
Inserting additional armor.
Hello, Carter.
Additional armor.
Good kill.
Inserting additional armor.
Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
That's kind of scary.
Inserting additional armor.
Guys running.
Changing mags.
Nice. Fantastic.
Hostile armor broken.
I'm getting blessed by these lobbies real quick. Hold on.
Enemy destroyed.
enemies down.
Use your tag map to hunt down the rest.
Hostile armor broken.
What's this kid doing?
Last trap.
Enemy UAVs online.
Uh-oh.
Additional armor.
Marking the rest of them. Good kill.
Inserting additional
Marking the
armor.
rest of that squad on your tag map. Get hunting.
Reloading.
Yo, chill, bro. Trying to buy my loadout. Chill.
Enemies are dropping into the area.
Thank you.
Additional armor.
Guys, you've got a loadout drop inbound. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online. Located the rest of them.
Switching mags.
Solid work training the enemy. You're clear for now.
Sir?
Target down.
Like, I'm so happy this guy's an android. Like, that's what kills me, bro.
Down.
He's getting outskilled, I guess.
On the way.
Jesus.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Enemy destroyed. Use your tag map to hunt down the rest of them.
I just can't believe my eyeballs anymore.
Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Like, what am I playing right now? Oh, that's not good.
Switching mags.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Let's get walling? Or just the best, bro? I can't tell.
We've got 10 squads active in the
Takes
field.
more than that to finish me. No armor broken.
These mines are scaring me. And this guy's just camping.
No armor broken.
I'm sorry, OG.
Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
I'm just camping above me. I don't like this. I'm out of here, deuces. Oh, this guy.
Switching mags.
Target down. Marking the rest of them. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Gas is closing in.
Changing mags.
Who's shooting at me? Who just shot me? Oh. Oh, you're annoyed. Look at this.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Good kill.
We can all play the waiting game. Little half a grenade right there. All good. It happens. Question is, can I get a UAV running? Oh, this guy's jumping right towards me. Hold on. Chill. What in God's name? Yo. Yo, I'm the greatest to ever touch this game. Hold on.
UAV standing by.
Deadass, I'm the greatest.
Switching mags.
UAV available for tasking.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
Alright, bro. You guys got that?
Enemy UAV overhead.
TACOM, we're flying on fumes. UAV returning to tank.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy UAV overhead. About to end. Make it count. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them
Grave
down.
authorizing UAV mission. Changing mags.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Hostile blast trap.
Why is my ear ringing, bro?
Inbound.
I'm getting flashbang in real life right now. I don't like this. These guys aren't moving, so I gotta move.
Enemy UAV is online.
Little wraparound right here.
Enemy soldier incoming.
They'll never see who's coming. Trust. To do their walling and cheating, I'm just getting off. Oh, look at this.
Fire sales over.
No idea whatsoever.
Takes more than that to finish me.
Located the rest of them.
No armor broken.
Enemy destroyed.
Switching mags.
Target down.
Mhm.
Marking the
Oh,
rest.
oh, what the?
No armor broken.
Hello.
30 in the back.
Good kill.
Reloading.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Resurgence has been deactivated. This is the end game.
Am I tweaking or just see someone over here?
Changing mags.
Supply crates
Make some
have been
tweaking.
restocked. Load up.
It is no gun. It's not too bad, to be honest. This is time for more ammo. Is that a person?
Enemy dropping into the AO.
just escaped death.
Switching mags.
I've been really bad.
Not done yet.
Guys? Guys, I'm scared.
You've got gas moving in.
Changing mags.
Guys, I'm really scared.
UAV standing by.
Get me eyes in the sky. Hostile armor broken.
UAV available for tasking. UAV standing by.
Get a half in the sky.
UAV available for tasking.
TACOM requesting recon overhead.
Standing by.
Precision airstrike. Well.
Getting shot. Switching mags.
Little buybacks. I love that.
UAV is bingo fuel. Returning to base. Request received. We're done.
Hostile armor broken. Reloading.
You're losing ground.
Guys, I'm doing jack shit behind me, right? I should be fine.
Hostile armor broken.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Changing mags.
Dude.
Don't let up now.
I'm being a nuisance, bro.
Target down. Mark the range.
Changing mags.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
Reloading. Inserting additional armor. Switching mags.
Okay, my spring mine just doesn't exist. Okay. Cool.
Back on
Get
mission.
ready. You're redeploying.
That was cool.
Dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Inserting additional
Mark
armor.
remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Inserting additional armor. Changing mags.
Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area.
Inserting
Good
additional
kill.
armor.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
Hostile armor broken.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Inserting additional armor.
Enemy UAV
Switching
overhead.
mags. Changing mags.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the
Reloading.
rest of them. Enemy UAV is
Inserting
online.
additional armor.
Hostile UAV in the area. You've
Inserting
made it to the
additional
top
armor.
10. In the field.
Switching mags.
Kill confirmed.
Here we go.
Locate
Yeah,
the
do it for me. Come on.
closing in.
What the hell? I didn't know it was right there.
In the AO.
Go get your revenge.
Can I get this?
Enemy UAV
Hell yeah, I can.
overhead.
I trolled.
Down.
Didn't think it was right next to me, bro. Whatever. Shit happens.
Hostile armor broken.
Dude, get off my nuts.
Target down. Marking the rest of them. Good kill.
Reloading.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tag map. Get hunting. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Changing mags. Take it from a biologist. That's fine.
Sir?
Enemy destroyed. Use your
Hello?
tag map to hunt down the rest of them.
Switching mags.
What is my ear?
Enemy
I'm
precision
typing.
airstrike. Find cover. Enemy UAV is online.
Why am I still typing?
Neurogas.
Oh my days.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh, he's annoying me.
Hostile armor broken.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Uh-oh.
Gas mine. Take it out.
Oh my gosh.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Reloading.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Hostile armor broken.
You've got gas moving.
Changing mags. Reloading.
We've located the rest of them.
Switching mags.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Hostile armor broken.
Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
That's more than enough.
Good kill.
10 enemies
Marking the
down.
rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
Switching mags. Hostiles are resupplying. Incoming shot.
Hostile airstrike incoming. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Back on mission.
You're back on station. Go get after it. Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. Enemies are dropping into the area. Enemy UAV overhead. Good kill. Mark the rest of that squad on your tac map.
position.
Only 4 remain. 5 squads still operational in the AO. Target down, marking the rest of them.
Changing mags.
Priority tasking request received. We're done.
Like, where are? No, wow. Yeah, that's where you are.
Back
Fire
in the
sales
AO.
over. Adjusting prices. We're returning you to the front. Earn this.
That's what kills me, right? Makes sense.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Be advised, Resurgence is no longer active. This is for keeps.
I'm hit.
Enemy UAV.
I didn't know I'm
online.
here, bro.
Not done yet. Reloading.
It's not like I'm wearing a bright ass pink sweatpants. They're cheating or something.
Check your map. I've marked a point containing enemy intel nearby. Capture it for information on the next gas spree. To the AO.
More than that to finish me.
Gas is closing in.
What am I hearing?
Switching mags. Incoming shot.
Uh-oh. Oh! What the hell?
Enemy soldier incoming.
That's everyone on my case right now.
Supply crates are restocked.
Playing a horror movie right now. I'm what? Horror movie? Horror game. Oh my gosh. I'm out of here, bro.
Move it.
Such a boring game, bro.
You're in the top 3. Don't let up now. 3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert. We've lost eyes on the objective. Contract failed. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Broken. Changing mags.
No, I don't want to go into the hole. It's all good, dog. I was just joking.
Inbound. You're in the last.
Switching
Now
mags.
finish this.
Yeah, I was just joking, dude. I was just joking. I just didn't want to go in the hole. All good, bro. Like, what? This game, bro.